The women's 400-meter hurdles have entered a new era of fierce competition, and Clayton is right in the thick of it. From overcoming injuries to breaking personal records, this Jamaican athlete is on the rise and ready to claim the title. But what does this mean for the future of the event, especially with the dominance of athletes like Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone, Dalilah Muhammad, and Femke Bol? Will Rushell Clayton shatter Melaine Walker's record and make her mark on the global stage? Stick around as we dive into her incredible journey, her future prospects, and the potential for even more groundbreaking performances. Over the last few years, the women's 400-meter hurdles have gone on a new trajectory, with the big three of Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone, Dalilah Muhammad, and Femke Bol running below the 52.00 seconds barrier, a time that most track and field fans thought was impossible. That's not all. The event has gotten more competitive, with world record holder Sydney McLaughlin-Levrone leading the field by a mile with her 50.37 seconds done at the 2024 Paris Olympics to become the first woman to win 2 consecutive Olympic titles in the 400-meter. It's important to note that Jamaica has always been a trailblazer in the women's 400-meter hurdles, with Dion Hemmings creating history at the 1996 Atlanta Olympics by becoming the first Caribbean woman to win gold, a performance that inspired Melaine Walker to win gold at the 2008 Beijing Olympics and the 2009 Berlin World Championship with a Jamaican national record of 52.42 seconds. However, since Melaine Walker's silver medal effort at the 2011 Daegu World Championship, Jamaican athletes were not earning major championship medals in the event until 2019, when Ristanana Tracy earned bronze at the 2017 London World Championship. And this is how Clayton became the new face of the event for Jamaica, when she had a consistent season to culminate in a bronze medal at the 2019 Doha World Championship. Even though Clayton was successful at the Doha World Championship, she was injured and missed the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. But she came back in 2022 and made the 400-meter hurdles final at the Eugene World Championship to finish 6th. A year later, at the 2023 Budapest World Championships, Clayton broke 53.00 seconds for the first time as she did 52.81 seconds to earn her second major championship bronze medal. This was her first time since 2011 that a Jamaican woman had gone under 53.00 seconds. This performance set the momentum for Rushell Clayton to run faster and potentially earn an Olympic medal in Paris. At the Jamaican Olympic Trials, she ran a personal best of 52.51 seconds to win the 400-meter hurdles, and with this performance, she became the second fastest Jamaican woman in the event. At the Paris Olympics, Rushell Clayton ran 52.68 seconds to place 5th. Now, the 2025 season has seen Rushell Clayton sign with Grand Slam Track and is expected to compete in both the 400-meter and 400-meter hurdles. It is often said that both events assist each other, and Rushell Clayton is determined to break the Jamaican 400-meter hurdles record. From setbacks to breakthroughs, Clayton is pushing the limits of the women's 400-meter hurdles. With her eyes set on breaking records, the best is yet to come. So, what's your take on this? Can Rushell Clayton break the Jamaican 400-meter hurdles record? And do you believe Rushell Clayton has what it takes to medal in the next Olympics? Share your predictions in the comments below. You should also check out our video on Jamaica's competition with the US in the 4x100-meter relay in Tokyo this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.